Hello, and a truly massive welcome to World of English. This is a special episode, one we are so excited to share with you. Welcome to every single listener, whether you are new or have been with us from the start.
This is a landmark episode. I'm Ali, and with me is Ina. Today, we are not just learning a few phrases. Today, we are building a foundation. We are talking about how to speak English fluently, and even more importantly, how to speak it with confidence.
That word confidence is the key. Many people know English grammar and words, but they feel scared to speak. They are afraid of making mistakes. If you feel this way, you are not alone. Almost every learner feels this, and today we will start to change it.
This is a safe space. We are here to support you, not to judge you. Over the next hours, we will give you a simple, clear plan. You will not just listen. You will speak, practice, and build your confidence step by step. Are you ready to begin this journey?
Let's start with the most important part, your mindset. The first thing we must do is change how we think about mistakes. What is a mistake? A mistake is not a failure. A mistake is proof that you are trying. It is a sign of bravery.
Think about a baby learning to walk. The baby falls down many times. Do we laugh at the baby? No, we cheer. We are so happy the baby is trying. You must be like that kind parent to yourself. Cheer for yourself when you try, even if you make a mistake.
So our first new rule is, mistakes are your teachers, not your enemies. Repeat this to yourself. My mistakes help me learn. Let's all say it together. My mistakes help me learn.
Wonderful. The second mindset rule is, you do not need to be perfect. You only need to be understood. The goal is communication, not perfection. If someone understands your message, you have succeeded.
Exactly. So let's set our goal. Confident communication, not perfect grammar. Repeat that goal. Confident communication. Now, let's talk about the number one secret to fluency. It is not knowing all the words. It is not perfect grammar. The secret is consistency.
Consistency means doing a little bit of English every single day. 5 or 10 minutes every day is much better than 1 hour only on Saturday. Your brain learns through regular, gentle practice.
Imagine you want to get strong. You do a few exercises every day. You don't try to lift a heavy weight just one time. It is the same with your English muscle. You must exercise it a little every day.
So, your promise to yourself starts today. I will practice English for a short time every day. Can you say that? I will practice English for a short time every day.
This daily practice is the engine of your fluency. Now, what should you practice? We will give you the 3 core habits.
Habit number 1, listen to a little English every day. This is called getting your ears used to the sound. You don't need to understand everything. Just listen.
What can you listen to? You are doing it right now. This podcast is perfect. You can also listen to the same episode many times. The first time, you understand a little. The 5th time, you understand much more. This is how you train your brain.
Let's start this habit now. We will play a short, simple conversation. Just listen. Don't worry about the words. Just let the sound of English wash over you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Thanks. It's a nice day.
Yes, it is.
You see? Simple. Easy. No pressure. This is daily listening.
Habit number 2, copy and repeat. This is how you train your mouth to make the English sounds. You listen to a short phrase and you try to copy it exactly.
Let's practice together. We will say a very short phrase. You will repeat it. We will do these many times. Ready? Phrase. Hello, how are you? Listen to my tone. Hello, how are you? Now you say it. Again, try to sound like me. Hello, how are you? Your turn. Excellent. You are not just learning words, you are training your pronunciation. This is a powerful habit.
Habit number 3, speak to yourself. This is the safest way to practice speaking. No one can hear you. You can do this in the shower, in your car, while cooking.
What can you say? Anything. Describe what you are doing. For example, I am making tea. The water is hot. I am happy. It feels silly at first, but it is incredibly powerful. It connects your thoughts directly to English speech.
Let's try it together right now. What are you doing? You are listening to a podcast, so say it in English. I am listening to a podcast. Say it.
You just spoke English. You did it. This is how you build fluency from the inside out.
These 3 habits, daily listening, copying, and self-talk, are your foundation. Do them for 5 minutes a day, and you will see amazing changes.
Now let's build your survival kit. These are phrases you can use in any conversation to buy time, to be polite, and to handle problems. These phrases give you huge confidence. The first phrase is for when you don't understand. Instead of being silent, you can say, "Can you please repeat that?" This is a magic phrase. It shows you are engaged and trying. Let's practice it. Say it. Can you please repeat that?
And the second phrase is for when you need a moment to think. You can say, "That's a good question." This sounds very fluent and gives you time to find your words. Practice. That's a good question.
The third phrase is for when you forget a word. Don't panic. You can say, "I'm looking for the right word." This is honest and polite. Practice. I'm looking for the right word.
With these 3 phrases in your pocket, you will never feel stuck in a conversation again. You have tools. This is a major confidence booster.
Now, the final and joyful part, connecting your English to your life and your passions. If you like cooking, find a simple recipe in English. If you like technology, read about a phone in English. If you like your faith, listen to a short, simple talk in English. When you learn about things you love, the language comes much faster and easier. This is called learning with purpose. Your English is not just a school subject. It is a key to a bigger world. The third phrase is for when you forget a word. Don't panic. You can say, "I'm looking for the right word." This is honest and polite. Practice. I'm looking for the right word.
With these 3 phrases in your pocket, you will never feel stuck in a conversation again. You have tools. This is a major confidence booster.
Now, the final and joyful part, connecting your English to your life and your passions.
If you like cooking, find a simple recipe in English. If you like technology, read about a phone in English. If you like your faith, listen to a short, simple talk in English. When you learn about things you love, the language comes much faster and easier.
This is called learning with purpose. Your English is not just a school subject, it is a key to a bigger world. It is a tool to connect with your hobbies, your interests, and your community.
Let's take a moment now for a giant guided practice session. We will combine everything.
First, we will do some listening. We will play a 1-minute story. Just listen. This is Anna. She is a teacher. She wakes up early. She drinks coffee. She goes to school. She loves her students.
Now, let's do copying. Repeat after me, sentence by sentence. This is Anna. She is a teacher. She wakes up early. She drinks coffee. She goes to school. She loves her students.
Fantastic. Now, let's do self-talk. Change the story to be about you. Say 3 sentences about your own morning. For example, my name is your name. I wake up at time. I drink tea. Your turn. Say 3 sentences about your morning.